Ladies and gentlemen, some crazy things are happening to crypto right now as we speak. I'm a little bit too dark to making videos this way, but it just looks really nice here over in France. So I tried to, give it a little spin. Anyway, as it currently stands, the situation that's going on is that Trump just said more things about tariffs. He basically said that over the next few weeks, let's just take a little bit of a look, I guess, huh? Actually, I just decided to grab another phone so I can read it out to you. There it is. The trade war is back just as the 10-year note yield crosses above 4.6%. This morning, what did President Trump do? Well, he threatened 25% tariffs on Apple and 50% tariffs on the EU in the beginning of June 1st. Now, the Apple one, long story short, is that they're saying, if Apple does not produce iPhones in America, for every single iPhone that's not produced, they've got to do a 25% tariff. So that on its own is obviously a pretty big deal. But I think that even though Apple dropped like 4% because of that, it's the 50% on Europe. That's a pretty big deal. President Trump says 50% tariff on the European Union will begin on June 1st. Quote unquote, the trade war is back. The European Union, which was formed for the primary purpose of taking advantage of the United States on trade, has been very difficult to deal with. Their powerful trade barriers, VAT taxes, ridiculous corporate penalties, non-monetary trade barriers, monetary manipulations, unfair and unjustified lawsuits against American companies, and more have led to a trade deficit with the US of more than $250 million a year, a number which is totally unacceptable. Our discussions with them are going nowhere. Therefore, I am recommending a straight 50% tariff on the European Union starting on June 1st of 2025. So within a week or two, right? Actually, next week, it's already happening. There's no tariff if the production is built or manufactured in the US. Thank you for your attention to the matter. Now, with the way that Trump has been doing business recently, it kind of seems as if he's, you know what? Let's go back to the view. And also, I've done my beard, huh? How you like that? But so it seems like he'll just do a tariff now and then reverse it within a few days or a few weeks after the market crashed. Everybody buys in and then things start pumping back up. No, really, I'm too black for that. I like the beard, by the way. But as it currently stands, we do not know. All we know is that every single coin, every single thing is falling right now because of Trump. If you're asking, why is this happening? Why are my coins going down? That is exactly why, ladies and gentlemen. I do not want to take much of your time. I'm right now on my way to the Monaco Formula 1. I'll be doing some cool videos over there as well. Maybe I'll do another little vlog of sorts, or record a little crypto update if something crazy happens. This right now is from France, though. But yeah, I'm about to head out. Just wanted to quickly give you all an update, and that's about it. And then again, I must say, the bots are still performing amazing, right? As it currently stands, prices are going down. The bots are buying in hard, and then as the price comes back up, we make a lot of good profits. Just wanted to quickly plug it. If you want to join my bots, links for those are down below over on Payonix. Doing extremely well over the past couple of days, extremely satisfied, because the volatility is how you make most of the money. Let's go.